Welcome to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. So today we are going to make very easy, very delicious vatli dal chana, which is made with chana dal, soaked chana dal and raw mango. I have just grated one big raw mango. I will be using one green chili and one ginger. I mean, it's kind of 1 inch ginger. My measurement cup is this today. It's a little bit bigger. We all love it, so I'm making little more. So this is 1.5 cups of chana dal, which was soaked for like 4 to 5 hours, and it has become almost double the size, like 3 cups now. And this is, as I said, one big raw mango which is shredded, and it's almost 2 cups of raw mangoes. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and grate it, but I'm not going to grate like really soft or smooth. It's going to be coarse. So while grating it, I'm going to add one green chili and ginger. I'm not adding any water right now. We don't want water while grinding it. Later the green or later the raw mango will leave a lot of water. As you can see, it is coarse and nice. Now let's make dal here. So to the coarse dal, I am just adding the curry or raw mango. If you like more sour taste, you can add more raw mango. We are good. Also, if you like it more spicy, you can add more green chilies while grinding it. Since we have small kids and they will not be able to eat if it's too spicy, I just add one green chili to it. After this, just salt to taste and give a quick stir. After this, we are just going to put nice tadka to this dal and we will be ready. So let's go to give a nice tadka. Here I have taken 3 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil. To that I am adding mustard seeds. Let them splutter nicely. After that I will add jeera or cumin seeds. To that I am adding half a teaspoon of hing, curry leaves, I have just turned off the heat. I like to put kothimber or cilantro to the tadka. It gives nice smoky taste to it. And 1.5 teaspoon of haldi or turmeric powder. And this tadka will go to our dal. Oh, this looks so good. Now just stir it. The beautiful yellow color, the aroma is so tempting. And I'm going to add lots and lots of cilantro to it. It gives really nice earthy taste to anything, especially to this vatli dal. So I'm adding cilantro. Just stir it and here we are done. It's beautiful, it's nice, it's healthy and it's quick. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and there are other Maharashtrian recipes on our channel. Hope you enjoy it. I hope you like it. Take care. Be safe. And just follow the CDC guidelines during this quarantine time. And please take care of yourself. Bye.